If you're looking for a top of the line but still affordable height adjustable desk, then this is the video for you. Introducing the all new Maidesite S2 Pro Plus in all black with massive adjustability, a great keyboard and screen, and even a crash detection safety feature. So let's go. Got the new drip from Maidesite, the S2 Pro Plus height adjustable table. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will link the best deals for you, and now let's check it out. So here we have the box with the feet. So let me just get it all out. Paperwork on top, padding, manual, and look at that, beautiful, beautiful. That's just one part right there, nice. And down here we have the actual feet, heavy machinery, all right. And all the cables as well. All right, so that's that. We have this on the box, and here we also have all the details. Same on the other side, by the way. And then we also, of course, have the table itself. The rest was the frame, and this is the plate. So let's see. So paddings all around. Wow, look at that beautiful plate right there. So we have great corner protection, really thick foam right there. And there we have the plate. Let's go, let's clean up. So here we have all the parts, and what I noticed immediately, we also have rolls, because I wanted this table to be on wheels anyway, so that is perfect. So first of all, we have all the beams and bars for the frame itself. Here we have the feet, and right here we have the height adjustable, well, legs, I guess. Over here we have covers. Here we have all the cables to give it power, and here we have the screen and the controller basically. Then we have this baggie with a few parts for cable management, these cable ties basically. We have the power brick right here, that's the connector right here. And then we have this long bag with all the pouches for the different screws that we will need for assembling it. And then of course we have the wheels that we can also lock, pretty nice. And they will just screw in here, so we can take these out. And they have the same thread, really nice. Then we also have the paperwork and the user manual. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the rest are the other languages. And lastly, we have the desk frame itself with all the inner threads pre-installed, looking really nice. Also the wood texture, really cool. So I can't wait to assemble it. Should be easy and straightforward. Done with the unboxing. Now let's put it all together and then of course get to my first impressions and then to a close overview. No deviations from the manual. For the assembly I stuck to it, page after page after page, and after just a few minutes, well I think it was half an hour or something like that, I was completely done and the results are amazing. So here we go, and before I flip it over, let me show you the underside. So first of all, as I said, I installed the rolls. Down here we have the cable management. I was able to use a few of those. Pretty handy, but I didn't glue it on yet. Well, with the adhesive tape, it's not really necessary actually. It's looking really nice. This is also pretty neat, covers everything. Here in the middle we have the power cable. I will have to think about something for that, but we will get to that in a bit. And the other side is completely clean. All in all, it's a super lovely build. It's looking dope. It's on cardboard to protect the surface, of course. The beautiful black surface. And now let's flip it over. Okay, let me get rid of that. And now let's briefly wipe the surface. Nice. It's easy to clean, that's great. And yeah, there we go. So check this out. So right now it is so low, kids friendly. And now let's raise it up. Let's plug it in. Whoa. Oh, we have the centimeters right there. So we're currently at 62. And just like that, we can raise it up. It is really fast and really silent. Amazing hardware. There is like a spaceship, and all the way to 127-ish. That is so cool, wow. And on the bottom we have a child lock. When we hold it for 4 seconds, LOC, it's locked. Now I can't I can move it, and to unlock, press and hold for another 4 seconds. And there is actually a lot that you can do with this. We even have a reminder that we should get up 1 hour, 2 hour, every half an hour, turn it on and off. We can change the presets. Here we have the child lock, and we can also change the collision sensitivity right here. And we can even change the units. That is so cool. Not bad, right? And by the way, I am currently moving. So this right here, that is my old setup. So in the next segment, let's start with a brand new setup build in the new flat featuring the new table. I don't feel well today, but I still managed to get this setup done with this little light right here, a controller, mouse, keyboard, tablets. I will get you close in a second, but what's amazing is, well, this is obviously a sitting setup, but thanks to the adjustability, you can get the height perfect. Usually you can only buy feet, table feet in, only a few lengths, and then you can change it. So it's never going to be perfect, but with this you can get it literally perfect. It is so cool. That is a game changer when it gets to comfortability. And the table, as you can see, it's looking really nice and it's fitting perfectly to this black setup. And what's best, when I don't need it anymore, then I can just, roll it into a corner. The TV is also on rolls, so that's a really cool completely mobile setup. So that is my first setup in the new flat for office tasks. Little PC back here. I'm currently powering the TV station and the cable from the table is going there as well. Later on I will have one main cable going to the TV station. So it's like the table station and the TV station, and through the main cable I will have a hub connected, of course powering the table. But even in this configuration it's pretty dope. I'm powering the light, this funny light right there, over the keyboard right there. Put my tablets over there and over there. Got my remotes and also this controller right there. So when you have a great base, then you will just need a few little additions and it will look amazing. And this surface is so nice. Love the look. And this table can fit into literally any setup. It's just a nice, smooth, neutral looking table and the adjustability is amazing. So big thumbs up from my side. This thing is awesome. Before we get to it, Maidesite currently has their anniversary sale going. You will get 70 euros off thanks to this. And on top of that, we have an exclusive discount code for you. So use our code TM40 for another 40 euros off. All details are of course listed in the description. Massive, massive sale. Don't miss it. As you saw, the new table looks amazing. Great hardware. The plate looks top notch with a touch of nature thanks to the wood grains and textures on it. It is just lovely. And moreover, it also comes with the optional wheels that you can easily replace or, put on. And since that was my plan from the beginning, this modular setup on wheels, the rolls came in super handy and they work great. So not only is it height adjustable, but also moving it around is now super easy as well. And talking about the height adjustability, it works so good, it is almost silent and the height range is massive. From 62 centimeters, which is the normal desk height, all the way to 127 centimeters, which is really high. Tons of options, and thanks to the preset positions, after finding your favorite heights, switching in between them is easy and fast. Just one click and it will go to the set position. A great build to say the least, and for what you will get, it is really budget friendly. Especially since it also comes with great cable management options and even a safety feature that will detect when the table moves into an obstacle or into you or your kid for that matter, and it will automatically stop and back off a bit when it hits something. And all in all, this table is definitely trippy. Check out the product links in the description if you're interested. I will link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy your day and I will see you soon.